Are you gonna put it on the tree?
I got me for you.
Go ahead, put it on the tree. Oh, do you want another one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got me for you. Mine blue one. The blue one. The blue one.
It is a blue one.
There. It's right there. It goes right there. Right there. More. Just more.
One more?
Just more. I got this from you. This is Mommy's spoon. This is Mommy's spoon.
That is Mommy's. It's called an ornament.
Here you go.
Thank you.
This is your spoon.
Do you want to put it on the tree for me?
Oh.
No?